Okay, so welcome members. Today we are going to see a lot about inverse trig functions. Today we are going to see how do we solve equations that are involving inverse trig functions. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now to start with, always we have seen how we can prove inverse trig functions. Now we are going to see how we solve them. The same idea still, but I'm going to show you if you have tan and tan how you can easily simplify that in one step. So all we do again, we say, let this be A, and let this be a B. This one is not there, so in the inverse, so you can leave it or you can call it a C also. So from here I say, our A is tan inverse of X, implying that if you take this side, tan A is equal to X. From here, 2x over 3, implying that we take this back, tan B will be equal to 2x over 3. So from here is that we have, here we are solving, that's why I'm not drawing triangles, because we are solving is equal to pi over 4. So now you introduce tan both sides because we have tan A plus B will be equal to tan pi over 4. Tan both sides. So you know that tan of 45 is 1. We know how we expand tan. This will be the whole over equaling to, we have seen that this is a 1. So from here, we see that I can cross multiply. I'll be having tan A. I'm going to cross multiply this side. I have tan A, my tan A, from here is my tan A is X, then plus this is over 3 equal to 1 minus, if I cross multiply this side, tan A, which is X, then tan B over 3. So from here, we can cross multiply, so we have over 3 equaling to, this will cross multiply, we have 3 minus this times this, we have 3x squared, the whole over 3, so that this one is cancelling. And then, so I'll be having now 3x, which is 5 minus 6, 5x equaling to 3 minus 2x squared. So take everything the other side, take everything this side. I have now 2x squared plus 5x, then minus 3 equaling 0. Two numbers are multiplied, I get negative 6. When I add, I get 5. Those are 2x squared plus 6x minus x minus 3 equals 0. When I simplify this, I go back there. 2x is common there. You have remaining with x, you have remaining with 3. So to create this bracket here, this side just factorize out the negative 1. So you see this and this are common, so I'll be having now into now 2x minus 1 equals 0. So here my x can be a negative 3, or my x can be a half. So we are just solving, so you can test here which value is going to be working for you. So you can put these values here, you'll be having a half here. So if you have a half, that will be, you test them and see which will give you, and therefore you compute the value of x there. When I come to this now, the easiest method here, you can skip these ones. I'm going to show you that working here. You can skip these first 3 steps in and do it in one. So what you do, if this is done and this is done, and you see that this one is 1 on condition this function is also 1. You see that this is how we add. We add that, we add this, and then we multiply here. So here you can do it in one step. You can say this is the same as tan inverse of, because it was positive, we add now the angle plus this. So we shall be adding now 2x plus 1. It's like I'm substituting here. But this side, I'm adding only the angle. So I add this plus this. The whole over 1 minus, you multiply the 2. So I'm multiplying only this, which will be, because this will be 2x plus 1 then 2x minus 1. So the whole of this is equaling to tan inverse of 2. So that's how you can even do it here. Here you can see that we will be having this as tan inverse of now x plus 2x over 3, the whole over 1 minus x, then times 2x over 3, the whole equaling to pi over 4. Then you take pi this side, you'll be getting to this step. If you get this pi, be coming to this step. So you can do it this. Oh, okay. So if this is an inverse and this is inverse, this is equal to this. So when you add up, this one will vanish. We shall be having 4x. Implies that this and this, now this is going to be equal to this inverse and this inverse. Then over 1 minus, here you can see a difference of 2 squares. So we square this, we get 2x, the whole square, then minus 1 square. So the difference of 2 squares, the whole is equal to 2 in one step. So you can do also this in one step using this idea here. So here we take down the side and simplify. Anyway, we are here. So 4x over 1 minus, this will be 4x squared minus 1 equaling to 2. So allow me, I can also multiply. This will be 4x over, this will be now 1 minus 1 will give me minus will give me positive, so I have 2, then minus 4x squared equaling to 2. You can divide through by 2, or you can also multiply. You have 4x equaling 2, this time this we have 4, then minus this time this will get 8x squared. Divide through by 4, we have x equaling to 1 minus 2x squared, take it to this side, plus x minus 1 equaling 0. So any two numbers multiply, those numbers are going to be, here I'm going to be having 2x, then plus 2x minus x minus 1 equaling 0. So from there, allow me to come up here. See if I factorize, I have 2x into, here remain with x, here remain with 1. Now to create this bracket here, this I'm going to factorize out the 1 equaling 0. So from here is that x plus 1 is common. Here I have x minus 1 equaling 0. So that my x is either negative 1 or my x is a half. Now you see, if you put here negative and you put here negative, you go on and test to see which value can work for you. There or conclude the value of x. So now here is a different now thing. So that we have now a coefficient. Now if you have a coefficient, you can apply this idea. For this you go like we did here. So from here, I let this be a. I let now this one, I leave out the coefficient by all of that one be b. So from here, start my tan n will be equaling to 1 minus x over 1 plus x. Then from here, start my tan b will be equaling to x. I'm skipping this step here, these steps I'm skipping. So from here, start I have a equaling to I have b. Allow me to cross multiply there. I'll be having 2a equaling to b. And from there, I introduce tan both sides. So tan 2a be equaling to tan b. So we know how to expand this. This will be 2. It's a double angle of tan equaling to tan b. So can you substitute 2 into now tan a, the whole over 1 minus, then the whole of this super tan a squared, so 1 minus x equaling to this side tan b is just x. So we just simplify. So up I will be having 2 into 1 minus x over 1 plus x. Then down I have 1 minus, this will be 1 minus x squared over, applying this power here, and also that power down squared equaling to 1. So allow me right up there. So here we are going to cross multiply. I'll be adding 2 into 1 minus x over 1 plus x. Remember, I'm dividing by this, but here I'm going to cross multiply. This will come here. Then minus this. The whole over. Now the whole of this is equaling to, this is equaling to x, not 1. It's equaling to x. Okay, so here we have 2 into 1 minus x over 1 plus x. Then I can get a reciprocal, so this will be times 1 plus x, the whole square, over. Here, I'm seeing the difference of the squares here. I will say now, this will be, we say if you have a squared minus b squared is the same as, you add, then you subtract. So that's what I'm going to do. For now I get x plus this, and I add it to that, I'll be adding this plus this, I'll be adding now. Okay, let me do the sum side so some people can see. I have 1 plus x plus, then I'm adding this, this will pass. I'll be adding 100, add 2 there. Then, if I subtract, I'll be adding 1 plus x minus. So, if I subtract this, I'll be adding minus 1. Then minus to give me a positive. So I'll be adding 2x. The whole is equal to 2x. So that this one is cancelled with 1 there. So up I have 2 into 1 minus x, then 1 plus x. The whole over, here I have 4x equaling to x. So I can use this by 1, then here by 2. So here is the difference of 2 squares, 1 minus x squared equaling to 2x squared. Because here I'm having 2x there. Then I cross multiply. Take everything the other side. You take this side, I have 1 equaling to 3. Now x squared. From here, start my x squared would be 1 over 3. Then my x would be plus or minus 1 over root 3. So that's how that one gets to. You can go on to test the values, but we test from here. I wish you the best. Members, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.